Okay, today guys, I'm just going to show you how to clean your camera sensor. There's no sense in spending $60, $80, or $100 to get it done somewhere. It's pretty simple. I'm going to do it using a pack I got from Amazon of sensor cleaners. It was $17.99, and I'm going to use the white side of my gray card to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's jump into it. Okay, now the first thing you're going to need to do is take your camera, take something white. I'm going to use this. Fill the frame up in your camera with all white. Set your f-stop on f22. Go to about a 2-second shutter. Move your camera around on this, keeping it all white in the frame. And then you can put that in your computer and you'll be able to see the marks that are on your sensor before you clean it. So now we can see the dust. We have a spot here, big spot here, some up here. Some are light, some are dark. But we've got them all over the sensor. So what we're going to do now is clean our sensor. So the first thing we're going to do is hit menu to turn the menu on. Then we're going to scroll down till we get to sensor cleaner. Here we are, sensor cleaning. Hit that button, hit OK, so we want to turn the sensor off after we're cleaning. So it's now open for us to clean. Okay, so the sensor is open, and we're going to take 3 drops of this liquid and just put it on the very end of this cloth. Like that, and then we're going to take and drag across the sensor. See it on there? Put it on there and just pull it across. You don't need much pressure. Then we're going to go back once, and there you go. That's all there is to it. A nicely clean sensor, and that just saved you $60, $80, or $100 compared to whoever take your sensor to get fixed. And that's really all there is to it, to cleaning your sensor. Don't be afraid to do it. Just take your time, be careful. Some places charge you $60, $80, $100 to clean your sensor. This whole kit was like 20 bucks and it came with all kinds of stuff. So check it out, save yourself some money, clean your own sensor. Y'all have a good day. If we're helping you out, please click subscribe to our channel. Thank you.